How to change the cart icon on your Shopify Dawn theme. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you step by step how to change the icon of the cart on your Shopify Dawn theme. So basically we have this icon right here, which is the default, and we basically just want to change it so that it is going to be a custom icon. So let's just go ahead and show you how to do it. So the first step is going to be finding a different icon that you would like to use instead of this one. So we can just go ahead and open up a new tab. Look for icon finder without any spaces in between. Open up this website right here and just look up carts. And then from here you can just feel free to choose whichever one that you actually like or prefer to use. I'm just going to be using this one and for this example, so I'm just going to go ahead and select it. Now here's the thing, you will need to find a free one. There are going to be free ones and there are going to be ones that are require payments. Okay, so just go ahead and find one that is free. You can see them highlighted with the free option here. So I'm just going to select this one from within icon finder, and by the way, it does not really have to be icon finder. If you can just have any icon website that is going to provide you with SVG, that is the requirement basically. So what we need to do is select the SVG file. We don't want it to be PNG or anything else. It must be SVG. So once we select the SVG, this option is going to show for us, which is copy SVG to clipboard. So we don't really need to download it or anything. We just need to copy the SVG to clipboard. So just go ahead and click on that, and it's going to copy the code for us. And now we just need to take it back to our Shopify store. From here, what we need to do is just go to the online store section, themes, and then we want to click on the three dots right next to the customize option. Click on edit code. And then from here, we want to find two different things. So we need to find them from within the filter files on the top left. It's not complicated, I promise. So just go ahead and look up cart. Icon dash cart. And then we should find two different files here. So the icon cart empty, and then we have the icon cart one. So these two are going to be the ones that we need to edit. And to edit them is very simple. What we need to do is just go ahead and highlight all of the code that is included in here. Just make sure you highlight all of it and delete it. So we can just go ahead and do Control A and delete. And this way we have an empty set of code here. And we just want to paste in the new code that we just got from the website. So just go ahead and paste. Do that or Control V, does not really matter. Just make sure you save on the top right, and we do the same thing for the other one, which is icon cart empty. Delete this, Control A to select everything, delete, and then just paste this code in. Click on save, and we should be good to go. This should be done. The icon should be changed for our Shopify Dawn theme, and I'm going to show you how it's actually going to look like now. If we just go to the view, and we can see that the icon has changed. And now, yes, it does not look that good, and you may need to test a few icons out just to find the one with the better fit for your Shopify store. Now, I don't really know of a way to resize it manually. Unless there is, then you can just let us know down in the comments. But you can just find a smaller icon, and that's going to work properly. So with that being said, this is pretty much how to change the icon for the cart in your Shopify Dawn theme, and thanks for watching.